Hey Dom, how familiar are you with the 2021 Nissan Altima Platinum? It has a 4-cylinder engine with a capacity to hit 182 miles per hour. It's all-wheel drive with 6,000 RPM, and it comes with some features like its driver's seat memory system, its interior accent lighting, moonroof, HomeLink, remote start, the 8-inch touchscreen display. But my favorite feature is the intelligent around view system that allows you to see 360 degrees around the car. And to top that off, it's sitting on top of 19-inch aluminum olive wheels with seasonal tire. It also has some safety features like blind spot spotting warning, emergency braking for pedestrians, and its intelligent forward collision warning. And to sum it all up, it goes 25 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon in the highway. And combining all that up, it sums up to 29 miles per gallon in total. And that's what I know about the 2021 Nissan Altima Platinum.